Hello, guys. Today's I will talk about the Scopio lifetime deal. I always try to inform you about unique features on the deal page for this specific matter to that of my video. Marketing has always been a crucial aspect of any business. However, with the advancement of technology, marketing strategies have evolved too. The traditional methods of marketing have been replaced by digital marketing techniques that rely heavily on the use of data and analytics. This is where Enalito comes in. An AI-driven marketing platform that lets you segment and personalize email campaigns to grow and retain your customer base. Enalito is designed to help businesses maximize their marketing strategies and achieve their goals. With its advanced features, Enalito helps businesses to create highly personalized and relevant email campaigns that resonate with their audience. This, in turn, leads to increased customer engagement, conversions, and ultimately a boost in revenue. Enalito's AI-driven technology allows businesses to segment their customers and create unique personalized experiences tailored to each individual customer's needs. This means that businesses can deliver highly targeted and relevant content that is more likely to convert potential customers into paying customers. What is Enalito? Enalito is a cloud-based marketing platform that helps you segment and personalize your email campaigns to grow and retain your customer base. It works off of cognitive computing to give you the most targeted and profitable customer base. It's easy to segment the campaigns. You can simply select the right audience based on age, lifestyle, and interests. You can also use your current leads and customer data to better serve your needs. Here are some key features of Enalito. Cognitive computing, AI-driven technology to automate customer segmentation. A/B testing, perfectly personalized contents based on each targeted customer group. Proprietary algorithm, better serve your customer base and drive higher ROI. Marketing for your e-commerce store. The best way to get sales from your business's email marketing is by personalizing it. Personalized email marketing increases sales conversion rates by up to 20–30%. Here's how to personalize your email messages. First, set up a welcome series in your autoresponder that features different products. As you send emails to people, make sure to turn on your data tracking program. Then, use a program like Word Tracker to determine what people are more interested in. After that, feature the products they've shown interest in on your autoresponder. The more personal your messages feel, the more likely you will be to get conversions from them. All-in-one solution for e-commerce stores like yours. Marketing automation. Customers who receive personalized product recommendations and prices will convert at a higher rate. Customers who receive this information feel heard and that a real person is speaking to them directly. This leads to trust and confidence in business. You should offer the most personalized service possible to get the most out of your campaigns. For example, if you are running a Facebook ad, you should target your ads to exactly what customers are looking for. This will maximize conversion rate. It will be more likely that customers will buy your product. This will also increase your sales and revenues. Smart segmentation. When it comes to online marketing, it's essential to know your audience. You need to know what they're looking for and how you can entice them to buy your product or avail of your service. This is the reason why laser-sharp segments are important. They help you define your target market and how to appeal to them. You can even target a specific group. If you've already narrowed down the laser-sharp segments, targeting will be a breeze. On-site personalization. You've probably noticed that websites have many different features. Some have a lot of features, while others have no features at all. It can be very frustrating for customers to have to leave a website just because they wanted one specific feature and couldn't find it. We at Dynamic Websites know how much frustration online users can have with their online experience. We want to help you provide customers with a very pleasant experience, and we'll do whatever it takes to achieve that goal. We want you to succeed and gain more customers, and we'll work hard to help you do that. Make more money. Understand your target audiences at each stage of the customer lifecycle in a way that helps you make more money and more loyal customers. Drive up sales. Send AI-powered, highly personalized and engaging emails to drive up your sales and turn your visitors into shoppers and shoppers into loyal fans. You can design beautiful responsive emails with our simple drag-and-drop editor. Double your conversion rate. Give targeted and personalized experiences that convert. Create valuable touchpoints at every stage in the customer lifecycle for each of your valuable customers. Smart and dynamic segmentation. Your customers deserve offers and promotions that's as unique as they are. The segments update automatically, so you can worry less about manually maintaining lists and spend your time on new ideas instead. Personalize customer experiences. Personalize customer experiences at ease. Deliver impactful, channel-appropriate content based on customer behavior and interactions across email, website, mobile, and app. Make better decisions. Make more informed decisions about campaigns, what products to sell, and how much inventory to keep. Our reports make exploring and answering your most pressing questions as easy as asking. Save time and grow your e-commerce business with Enalito. That's why Enalito is packed with tools for smart customer and product segmentation, so you can personalize your marketing campaigns and maximize your sales. Get lifetime access to Enalito today. One-time purchase of only $59.